Imagine you're in a world without the internet. No emails, no social media, no online shopping. Now, imagine trying to run a business in that world. Impossible, right? But what if there was a business tool that promised to revolutionize communication without relying on the internet? That's the question we're exploring today. Does RingCentral use the internet? RingCentral is a popular cloud-based communication platform that offers a suite of features, including voice, video, and messaging. It's used by businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large corporations. But how does it work without an internet connection? To answer this question, we need to understand a bit about cloud computing. Cloud-based applications are hosted on remote servers, accessible via the internet. This means that data is stored and processed off-site, rather than on a local device. The short answer: yes, RingCentral uses the internet. So, to cut to the chase, yes, RingCentral does use the internet. It's a cloud-based platform, which means it relies on an internet connection to function. Understanding the why. But why does it need the internet? Let's break down the reasons. Cloud-based infrastructure. RingCentral servers are located in data centers around the world. To access these servers and use the platform, you need an internet connection. Real-time communication. Voice and video calls require a reliable internet connection to transmit audio and video data. Messaging and collaboration. Instant messaging, file sharing, and other collaborative features rely on the internet to transfer data between users. Integration with other applications. RingCentral integrates with other cloud-based applications, such as CRM and project management tools. These integrations require an internet connection to function. The benefits of cloud-based communication. While it might seem like a drawback that RingCentral relies on the internet, there are several benefits to using a cloud-based communication platform. Scalability. Cloud-based platforms can easily scale up or down to meet the needs of your business. This means you can add or remove users and features as needed. Accessibility. You can access RingCentral from anywhere with an internet connection, making it ideal for remote teams and mobile workers. Reliability. Cloud-based platforms are typically highly reliable, with redundant servers and backup systems in place. Cost-effective. Cloud-based platforms can be more cost-effective than traditional on-premises communication systems, as there's no need to invest in hardware or maintenance. Addressing concerns about internet reliability. One common concern about using cloud-based communication platforms is internet reliability. What happens if your internet connection goes down? While there's no guarantee that your internet connection will always be perfect, RingCentral has features to help mitigate the impact of outages. Call forwarding. You can set up call forwarding to redirect calls to a different number if your internet connection fails. Mobile app. The RingCentral mobile app allows you to make and receive calls even when you're not connected to Wi-Fi. Disaster recovery. RingCentral has disaster recovery plans in place to ensure that your data is protected in case of a major outage. So, to recap, does RingCentral use the internet? Yes, it does. It's a cloud-based platform that relies on an internet connection to function. While some might see this as a drawback, there are many benefits to using a cloud-based communication platform, including scalability, accessibility, reliability, and cost-effectiveness. If you're considering RingCentral, it's important to ensure that you have a reliable internet connection. However, with the right features and planning, you can minimize the impact of internet outages and enjoy the many benefits of cloud-based communication. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.